Another payment option available on the app is the Ovaloop Checkout. To use this payment method, select the Ovaloop Checkout on the payment screen. The system automatically generates a unique virtual account number for transaction. Present the account details to the customer and ask them to complete the payment using the generated account. Once the customer confirms the payment, tap Confirm Transfer. The system automatically verifies the transaction, and if the payment is successful, a receipt is generated. If the payment has not been confirmed, tap Confirm Later. The order will be saved and can be verified later from the order screen once the payment is received. When I click Confirm Later and I have here my receipt and I go back to my dashboard, I have a partial transaction history, and here payment has not been made, no payment method.